Greetings everyone and welcome to a B2B video marketing tips and tricks for 2024. You know, the struggle is real, creating videos that cut through the noise and actually get results. Well, fret no more. This video is your one-step shop for B2B marketing tips and tricks for 2024. We'll show you how to craft compelling content that grabs attention, converts viewers into leads, and keeps you ahead of the competition. So buckle up and get ready to take your B2B video marketing to the next level. Tip number 1, no audience, no results. Set your goals for B2B videos. Starting a video without a plan is a recipe for disaster. Forgetting about your audience and goals is a critical mistake. Think of it like this: if you don't know who you're talking to or what you want them to do, how can you expect your videos to be effective? For example, imagine a cybersecurity company making a video about their new software. If they just focus on technical features, they might miss the mark entirely. By understanding their audience, for instance, IT managers in banks, they can tailor the message to highlight how software protects financial data from real threats. Tip number 2, less is more. Use short and powerful B2B video strategies. Let's face it, grabbing and holding people's attention online can feel like trying to catch a butterfly. Nearly impossible, right? Short attention spans are the norm these days, and that applies to your B2B audience just as much as anyone else. That's why short and focused videos are key in B2B marketing. We're talking about videos to 2 minutes or less, which might seem daunting at first. But here's the good news: you don't have to pack everything into those 2 minutes. Think of it like giving your audience bite-sized pieces of valuable information instead of a full-course lecture. No more boring videos that put people to sleep, just impactful videos that grab attention and get results. Tip number 3, captivate your audience with powerful storytelling is crucial. You might be tired of putting your audience to sleep with lectures. Now it's time to ditch the boring and tell stories. Think relatable characters, compelling conflicts, and clear resolution where your offering emerges as the key to success. Testimonials from real customers add credibility and social proof, while visuals like animation, motion graphics, or even live action footage can boost engagement and emotional connection. And don't forget about structure. A clear beginning, middle, and end will keep viewers hooked, ensuring your messages land and compels them to take action. Tip number 4, stand out from the crowd and be creative. Creativity is your secret weapon. In a crowded online world, it's what makes your videos stand out. In order to use creativity to transform your B2B videos into attention-grabbing and memorable content, you need to consider some of the key elements, which are hooking viewers with eye-catching elements, building brand memorability with emotional connections, differentiation by showcasing your brand personality, boosting engagement with shareable content, and humanizing your brand for deeper connections. Tip number 5, don't just post, dominate and tailor B2B videos for platforms. Blasting out the same B2B video everywhere just won't work. Different platforms have different audience and preferences. Your B2B video needs to adapt its look and style to blend it with each platform's environment. Learn how to optimize your videos for LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and even more social spaces. In case you want to dig more about the benefits of using social platforms for B2B marketing, there is a full article in the video description below that will also give a better insight into B2B video marketing tips. Tip number 6, turn viewers into leads. Master the B2B video call to action. Hitting viewers with a great video is only half of the battle. You've got to tell them what to do next. Think of your CTA as the bridge between your videos and the next step in your marketing funnel. Do you want them to download the free guide, visit your website? A well-crafted CTA will get them there. Don't let your viewers simply watch and forget. Give them a clear path to take your B2B marketing to the next level. Tip number 7, fine-tune your B2B videos, a guide to testing, tracking, and analysis. Here's the deal: before you hit publish, you gotta test your videos. Think of it like a supercharged focus group. Use A and B testing or multivariate tests to experiment with different elements like headlines, thumbnails, even video length. And what is the goal? To discover what makes your target audience tick. But testing is just part of the equation. You also got to track your videos after launch. Views, engagements, and clicks are your golden nuggets of data. This is where the magic happens. After you've tested and tracked your B2B videos, it's time to make sense of all that data. Imagine spotting trends and patterns that jump off the page, like which video length keep viewers glued or what headlines get the most clicks. By analyzing this data, you'll understand what makes your video tick and what might be holding them back. So here we are. Those are the key video marketing tips you need to crush it in 2024. B2B videos don't have to be boring. Get creative, tell stories, and leverage the power of data to make your content truly impactful. Now get out there and start creating videos that will grab attention and get the results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing magic. See you in the next videos.